Hi guys, now we are going for web table handling concept. How to handle web tables. How to handle the web tables. This is the most important one. How to handle the web tables. So before this going to web tables, we discuss about two core Java programs. Why? Because here core Java program is not important. In that core Java program, some logic is there. By using the two logics, we can handle these web table handling concepts. By using that logic, we are going to handle web tables. Okay, so we will see what is some static web table and how to handle the Ajax controls, means dynamically changing values. So first I go for one core Java program by writing if else conditions. Here logic is important. Observe palindrome program. First I go for one palindrome program. Suppose I am declaring one string, str is my variable. In that str I am assigning some value Mahesh. My program is it a palindrome? Is it a palindrome? So first of all, palindrome means you can reverse that string Mahesh, and if both are same, then that is called as a palindrome. So how to write this program? So here we go for some simple if condition, and we can use some string comparisons. Means suppose how to write manually, you can see. Suppose we are declaring one more variable reverse. See. Okay. In that reverse, I can store that variable. Reverse equal to, I can store like this: H S E H A M. I have two strings are there. One is str and one is reverse. If both are same or not, we go for some string comparison methods. Equals and equals ignore case methods are there. So first, how to reverse this string? How to reverse this strings, and how to compare two strings? There are two commands are there. Equals and equals ignore case. Equals is exact match with case sensitive. Equals is exact match with case sensitive. Equals ignore cases means it also looks for exact match, but case means case insensitive. Okay, so same program I want to write in that Eclipse. See, it is not a test-ng, it is related to some core Java program. So in my core Java I am creating test-ng class. Okay, yes, create test-ng class. My class name is palin. No before after, I don't want to launch anything. It is some sample core Java program. So what is this? In str, first I can declare one string str. So str is a variable, in that some value is there, the data type is string. Now you can assign some value in str. I can assign as a Mahesh. Now I want to print from last character onwards, means H, S, E, H, A onwards I want to print it. Okay. Now you can see here index position started 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I am able to print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then automatically it will print H, S, E, H, A, M. Okay. So how to write this? Simple, I can write some for loop. For int I equal to 5, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. See first what is the I value? 5. I greater than 0? Yes, condition true. I minus minus. 4 is greater than 0? Yes. 3, 2, 1, 0. Whenever I is 0, loop will terminate. Up to here, fine. Suppose maybe in my string like this there are so many values are there. Then what is this I value? Either 20, 15, whatever it is. Not possible to give this value. Yes? So don't write directly like this. Okay? Now I am deleting this method. So first we can find what is the length of this string. What is the length of the string? Print in the console. System.out.println str.length. Now up to save here, run it. What is it will return str.length? The string length. How many characters are there? 6 are there. But what is the position I want to print? The index is started with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means str.length minus 1. Suppose 20 characters are there. I want to print from 19, 18, 17, 16 up to 0. 40 characters are there. 39 onwards I want to print it. So can I write str.length minus 1 in for loop? Yes, you can write like that only. Int I equal to dot length minus 1, 6 minus 1, from 5 onwards it will print up to when I greater than or equal to 0. Always I incrementing. Now I want to add characters, HSC characters. Okay, you can declare one more variable here, that is reverse, make it as empty string. I am declaring one variable reverse with the data type string. There is no characters, empty string. I want to add this string one by one, one by one. So reverse equal to, how to concatenate two strings? Plus, for that reverse empty, first I want to add h. Yes, EH like that. How to add it? str dot caret of I. Tell me what is the first I value? 5. Fifth character come to added into reverse. I decremented 4. I decremented 3. I decremented third character. Next, I decremented A. Next A. See, if you want to see, print the reverse. System.out.println reverse value is there. Save it, run it. Totally 6 characters are there. It is reversed. H, S, E, H, A, M, reversed. So in my hand, 2 strings are there. One is str, one is reverse. Both are equal or not. I can make it as a simple if condition. I am comparing 2 strings. If it is integer values, you can give if A equal to B. But here 2 strings are there. How to compare 2 strings? str dot, see 2 commands are there. One is equals, equals ignore case. So first I go for equals, exact match with case sensitive. With what value? Reverse. If both are same, print one statement. System.out.println, yes, it is a palindrome. Else, system.out.println palindrome. Save it, run it. See, Mahesh is a palindrome. No, it is not a palindrome. Yes. Suppose if you can observe, if you can make it as a madam, is it a palindrome? Yes. Automatically execute the first condition. If condition pass, it will execute if statement. If condition fails, automatically it will jump to the else condition, it will execute this statement. So in my condition pass, it will execute first statement palindrome. Why? Because madam is a palindrome. Madam, it is a palindrome. So your main thing, you can find out how to compare 2 strings and what are the string comparison commands. That logic you can find out here. Okay, done. Same like that, I go for one more program. See, previously same like that, I have string str. A string contains means str, some value is there. I have value 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 5. If str contains 3, print it. If str contains 3, print it. Yes, in str 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 5, 3 is available. How to print that str? How to print that str? But that 1, 3, 4 all are only one string. One string. How to use it? How to use it? Here there is one function is there that is called as a split. Split is a one method in a string class. Splits is a one method. It is a method from the string class. We can divide the string to multiple values. The value which we are using so what is the value which we are using to split? That will remove and remaining values will store in an array. Means here we can split function is there, so str dot split. In this we can give some value. This is the concept. So what is the value we are given here? What is the value I want to give here? So whatever the common values there you can give. Here comma is there, every word comma is there. So if we give the comma and comma will be removed, all the values will be stored in an array. Now my question is, what is an array? What is an array? Simply we can tell that it is to store multiple values. It is store multiple values with similar data types. It is to store multiple values with similar data types, and for each and every value in array will be assigned with one index or position. Means if you are splitting comma, so one by one value 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 5 will be make it as an array. How to declare an array? See the syntax. Suppose if it is a string array, string open close brackets S. In S I want to store only the string data tables. You can declare like this or you can declare like this also. String S open close, both are same. If it is an integer array, int I. If it is an object array, object some O. We declare only these type of values. Okay, here what is the data type? String. So I can make it as a string S equal to. So one by one it will assign one index positioner, means S of 0, 1, S of 1, 3, S of 2, 4, S of 5, like that. Suppose maybe my values are having one space, no comma. Then what is the expression here? Simple, by using the space. Suppose my values are available like this, line by line. How to split it? Our regular expression is /n, new line or next line. Line by line, first line S of 0, second line S of 1, S of 2, like that. But here my syntax is comma 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 5. So I go for comma. split it. Okay, same program I want to write here and I want to execute it. So same core Java program it is also. Right click, go to testng, create testng class. Here the class name is split string finish. So declare one variable, the data type is string str. So str contains some value 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. Done. First I want to split it. str dot split. It is asking regular expression. Which one we are using? It will remove from that and make it as an array. So here common value is comma. Declare an array. That array is string s equal to. So one by one value s of 0, s of 1, s of 2. How many values are in that array? How to get it? System dot out dot println s dot len. It will display how many values are there. So I need some required value. My value is 3. Means all the values are available in s of 0, s of 1, s of 2, s of 3 like that. So take one for loop. In I equal to 0, index is started with 0 means s of 0, s of 1. I less than how many values are there? I don't know. So go for s dot length. Every time I is incrementing. Done. I am comparing s of I equal to first value 0. First it will compare s of 0, s of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to s dot length. If it is equals or you go for equals ignore case. What is your compared value? Yes, 3. If it is available, print it. So whenever s of I is equal to the 3, it will print only that 3 value. So your main thing is split the string by using common regular expression value, make it as an array. In that array you can access specific value. Save it, run it. See, f is passed, 6 values are there, 3 is available, it is printed only the 3 value. So by using this palindrome logic and whatever we are discussing split string, based on this we go for how to handle the web tables concept. So to handle this web table, okay, to handle these web tables, first we identify the web table by using some locator. Identify the web table by using some locator means what is the web table? Here see in our SpiceJet, if I am clicking on leaving from field, this is called as a one web table. The rows and columns are their values 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there, multiple rows are there. It is called as a one web table. So first you can identify that web table by using some locator. After that, second point, based on locator, take all the values into a string by using getText command. Yes, if automatically in str some values are there, split it. Just now we discussed. Split the string by using some regular expression and access specific value by using string comparison command. These 3 steps. First we can identify the web table locator. After that, take all the values into a string by using getText command. After that, split the string by using some regular expression, access specific value. Now my first scenario is write a program to click on leaving from field and then check for Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. If available, print it. What is the program? Clicking on leaving from field in the spice set. So this is the leaving from field. In this web table, this one. In this web table, what is the requirement? One second. In this web table, requirement is which values are available there. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai is available or not. I want to print it. Here Hyderabad is there, Bangalore is there, Chennai is there. I want to check these three values. If available, print these three values. That is our program. Okay. So again, come to our test.ng. It is not a core Java program. Right click on this test.ng. Go to test.ng, create test.ng class. Here we can use the class name is Webtable handling. Before test, see, test.ng is the package, Webtable handling is class, before test is the notation, click on finish. Now one class is created. I am minimizing this package explorer. First we can declare WebDriver object, public WebDriver driver. Next, driver equals to new Firefox driver, driver.get, give the URL, then driver.manage.window.maximize. So first I want to click on that leaving from field. So right click on this inspect element. Which locator is available there? ID is available. So first I want to click on that. Then one web table is available. So the command is driver.find element by .id. You can click it. Yes? Yes. So what are the three steps are there? First you can identify that web table by using locator. So this is the main thing. How to identify that web table locator? See, this is your complete web table. Carefully you can observe. This is complete your web table. First you can right click on this Hyderabad, inspect element with firebar. Which locator is available? You can place the cursor in this blue highlighted. Which element is highlighted? Only Hyderabad is highlighted. Observe. If you place the cursor, only Hyderabad is highlighted. But I want to take complete table locator. Okay. Here one element is there. Arrow mark. Click an element in the page to inspect. Click on element in the page to inspect. So by using this option, select this web table, place the cursor on adjacent of the table. Yes. Now complete table is highlighted. With the mouse click, you can click it and you can observe. Is it selected or not? Yes. Complete table is highlighted. You can place the cursor on this blue part. You can identify the XPath, right click, inspect element firepath panel. Now see, the table is highlighted. Okay. Once again I am observe. Anywhere right click on the web table, inspect element with firebug, place the cursor on the adjacent table, yes, click it. See, table is highlighted, right click, inspect in firepath panel. See, the table is highlighted with blue dots line. The table is highlighted with blue dot line. So this XPath is for the table. This XPath is table locator. The table is completely blue dots highlighted. This is the table locator. This is the table locator. So I am identifying the table by using this locator. Driver dot find element by dot XPath, not ID. Why? Because I am taking the XPath from the table. What is the second one? Based on that locator, you can take all the values into a string by using which command? Yes, get text command. So here you can use get text. The get text return type is string stored into some variable. I can make it as a second line. See, I can make it as here or not, second line. So there is a get text command is there. Store into some variable str. The data type is return type of get text is string. Now I want to split this string. Same previous example you can see. Split string is there. Here comma is there. But here which value is available? So for that purpose, you can print that str. System.out.println, print that str. Based on that, we will decide which regular expression is suitable to split it. Save it, run it. Now you can see it is opened the SpiceJet. Yes, it is clicking on leaving from. It is printing all the values. See that? In str, all the values are available line by line, line by line, line by line. So all are available in line by line. So same previously, I can use split function str.split. Which regular expression? It is a line by line. So we go for /n. We go for /n. Make it as an array. So in yes, how many values are there? Previously just 4 or 5 values are there. See, previously just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values are there. But this time Webtable, so many values are there. Maximum 30, 40 values are there. So find out how many values are there. How to find out? System.out.println s.length. So in yes, some values are there, 30, 40, some values are there. I want to access a specific value. If it is a specific value, see in previous program, I am comparing with only one value. Simple if condition, I am comparing with 3. But here I require 3 values. What are the 3 values? Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. So we go for nested if. First how to read all the values? Take one for loop. Int index I equal to started with 0 onwards, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Strike conditions. If s of I equals ignore case First I can compare with Hyderabad. So what is the display name? Hyderabad HYD. Hyderabad HYD. Print that value. System.out.println S of I. So I have three values are there. Suppose maybe Hyderabad is not available. I search for Bangalore. If it is not available, search for Chennai. So you go for nested if means else if S of I dot equals ignore case if it is with Bangalore. So go for this Bangalore. System.out.println S of I. One more condition is there. That's why I go for one more else if. Again S of I equals ignore case if it is with Chennai. So I am comparing with Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. Three values are there. Print these three values. System.out.println S of I. So first identify one web table by using any locator. Based on the locator, read all the values by using the get text command, and you can read the values. These three specifications you can remember. That is enough to handle any web table. Identify the locator, take all the values into string, split it and access specific value. Now save this program, run it. If those three values are available, definitely it will print all the three values. It is clicking on leaving from. In that web table, first it will read all the values and it will find out, see how many values are there. Total in my web table 49 values are there in that web table. In that 49 values, all the three are available. Bangalore is available, Chennai is available, Hyderabad is available. Total in that web table, see all these are 49 values in my table. This is the way how to handle that web tables.